good, YouTube? It's your boy Roy, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be sharing a kind of DIY video of me repairing some wheels that I got for my wife, that I kind of snuck on her car as an anniversary gift. We've been married for 2 years now, and just gonna show you guys this, so just check it out, man. I'm gonna show you guys what I got going on, man, in just a second. I was looking around on Facebook Market, bored, and stumbled across a set of 22s that I figured would probably look pretty good on Sally, which is my wife's 2017 Mustang. They're kind of scuffed up. Well, they are scuffed up pretty good, and you know, I'm gonna be grinding them down. I already done 2. I have 3 more. I got 5. Probably have to buy a couple of tires. Well, I know I have to buy a couple of tires, but just let you guys see what I have going on, and we'll try to keep you guys posted on the progress from start to finish. Like I said, I've already done 2, and I got 3 more to go. So I'll let you check out what I've done and what I have left to do. I'm gonna grind down the little scuffs that are on the rims with the grinding disc, and I'll also be scuffing them up and shooting a little paint on them to freshen them up, because like I said, they're going on my wife's car, and they'll probably look worse than they do now by the time she's done with them. I give her a month or 2, but anyway, I'm gonna let you guys check that out. Like I said, these are the 2 KMC slides, 22-inch. These are the 2 that I went around already. Grinded them down, shot some primer on them so they won't start to rust. And these are the ones that I'm working on now. There you go, guys. Like I said before, I'm not going to try to make them look brand new or nothing like that. I'm just going to try to make them look better and look presentable. You know, if I try to look good when I ride, I want her to also look good. She represents me, I represent her. So we're going to get them looking better. Not gonna waste time trying to make them look new, because I know she's gonna kill them. And if I put all that work into them and try to make them look new again, I'll probably be upset first time I see she's curved them 10 times in one day. So just gonna do a little freshening up, reshoot them, and we're gonna surprise her with them, because she don't know I got them. So you guys stay tuned. The sadness in your voice. Said, it won't be perfect, but should be better. Yeah, so I'm gonna get this thing wrapped up, man, and I'll let you guys check this wheel out after I get done priming it, because it's kind of difficult to hold the grinder and, you know, let you guys see what I got going on also. So I'm gonna get busy, do a little work. I'll get back with you guys in a minute. Got the third one knocked out. On to number 4. Probably gonna have to do some filling. I know I'm gonna have to do some filling on this one. There are too many low spots. Have to fill those in and then grind it back smooth. Just too bad, so I'll probably use this one as my spare wheel. Use this one as the 5th wheel. Check this other one out. Yeah, this one is a little better. So I'm gonna probably hold off and get this bad tire off and swap the tires over and use this one. I'll just go ahead and repair this one with the grinder and once I get the other one filled in, I'll repair it and put a tire on it.
The next day.
All right, guys, we are on day 2 of our bargain wheel repair. Right now, I've just scuffed and painted one of the center caps. So I'm gonna let you guys check that out. I don't know what this residue is on this one. I hadn't painted it yet, but I don't know what it is. Maybe sap out of the tree or something. But this is the one that I painted. I think it turned out well. Had a little reaction right here. I don't know why, but it's good enough. I think it turned out pretty good. If the wheels turn out that good, I'll be happy with them. But I'm gonna move on to, let me see. Yeah, it's dry. Yeah, but we're gonna go ahead and start prepping the surface on this one, clean it up a little bit more, and get those two to match. All right, guys, we now have 2 matching center caps. This one actually turned out better than the first one, but they both turned out fairly good, fairly well, and they'll do. So I have to go grab the rims, or maybe I'll just take my stuff up there to my cousin's and start working on the rim, prepping them and getting ready to paint those next.
3 hours later.
All right, guys, this is what we have so far. I've painted one wheel. This is the paint that I'm using, and I've used it in the past, and it's been, you know, pretty good for something that you're doing in the yard. But yeah, I think it turned out okay. Way better than it previously looked. It's going on my wife's car, so I'll give her a good couple of months and they'll probably look worse than they did before I started on them anyway. Yeah, looking pretty good so far. I'm gonna let it dry 30 minutes. I'm gonna inspect it and probably shoot another coat, go ahead and finish this can off on it, but so far so good. I'm now headed to AutoZone Advances parts store, trying to find a lug nut set so that I can sneak the wheels onto the car. My wife went in the house and laid down, so I think this would be a perfect opportunity for me to try to sneak the wheels on the car, so when she wake up, they'll be bolted on, and hopefully I can clean the car up and see what she think of it. So let's cross our fingers that parts place have some lug nuts, so we can continue on. If not, let's postpone until later date. Alright guys, we got the lug nuts and we got the wheels on, and I reversed the car off. I would have recorded it, but the sun is dropping, it's starting to get dark, and I was trying to hurry up and get it done. So hopefully she's woke up from a nap and she can come out and check the car out before it gets too dark for her to see it. So yeah. Surprise! Alright guys, she said she liked the wheels. She was shocked. She had no idea I had got it for her, so give y'all a little walk around. They look pretty good.
That's it, isn't it?
Look pretty good.
It all the time, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's your deal, isn't it? Let's set it off. Let's set it off there. Okay. What look like clean car here?
Nah, it's like a whole nother car. He told me it looked better than my vet. So that vet can't touch that black. Alright guys, we came by here and let Pops check them out. And see y'all in the next one. Now tell them to like, comment, and subscribe.
Like,
Comment,
subscribe.
subscribe.
Man, got that for 1 more $5.